So here I got the nightstand from Furnulem. In this video, I'm going to go over some of the top questions I was seeing, answer those for you, and hopefully help you out with your purchase. Those questions were, what is the assembly time like for this nightstand? What are the drawers made of? And the third question was, how do you operate these LED lights? So I'm going to answer all those questions for you and hopefully help you out with your purchase. Let's get in that first question. What is the assembly time like? So I was able to get this done in about 20 to 30 minutes. It's super easy to do. I did it by myself. Everything is nicely labeled for you and they give you all the tools you need. So just follow along and you'll be able to get it completed pretty quickly. And now for the second question, what are the drawers made of? So they are made of a fabric. On the inside, there's wood inserts that go on the bottom for support. But what's nice about it is the outside is synthetic leather with like a wood accent type handle. So from afar, and I'm sure you can see in the video, they do look like they are wood and the shelves are wood. So it does have a nice look to it, even though the inside of them are fabric. And now for the final question, how do you operate these LED lights? So super easy to do. They actually give you a remote on the side. You can change the color to them. Just hold down that button if you want to turn them off. Want to turn it back on, just click it. You got different things. They can dance, do whatever you want. And they also have an app too. There's going to be a little piece of paper. When you open these lights up in the box, you just scan that QR code and it's going to bring you right to the app store where you can download the app and now you can control these from your phone. But overall, this nightstand is awesome. I think it's like the perfect nightstand if you're running out of room in your dresser and you need a little more room just because it does have 4 drawers to it. It also has outlets up here, 2 outlets and 2 USB ports. So it's basically like a whole power strip for you as well. So overall, affordable, easy to put together. You know, had those extra perks with the outlet to it, the lights, all that kind of good stuff. So I give this thing 2 thumbs up.